Hi guys, I'm Daniel Thompson and I'm going to teach you some basic music theory with the chromatic scale using flats this time. The musical alphabet goes A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and there's nothing in between B and C and nothing between E and F. We established last time that sharp means higher while flat means lower. Before B is B flat, before D is D flat, before E is E flat, before G is G flat, and before A is A flat. And we do the same thing. We start from a note and we finish on a note, going around in cycles. So the A chromatic scale using flats is A, B flat, B, C, D flat, D, E flat, E, F, G flat, G, A flat, A. We practice the chromatic scale the same way we practiced it before on every other beat, starting with D. So D, E flat, E, F, G flat, G, A flat, A, B flat, B, C, D flat, D. And that is how we do the chromatic scale. And I'll see you in a bit.